Stay tuned to find out how to make these Halloween themed decorations. First, we're going to add our decorative stones to the vase. I have these smaller green ones and then these larger white ones. You can use any color or any size stones that you have available or that you can find at your Dollar Tree. Then I'm just fitting my luggage tag inside the stones to see how it'll look. Once I see how it looks, I remove it and then I use my black and red pen to write RIP on the headstone. Once I finish writing on the headstone, I add it back to the rocks and it looks just like a grave marker would. Next, to add a little bit of a spookier element, I'm taking this white mesh that I got that actually was the cover for the rocks, and I double it up, and then I'm going to twist the top and form a ghost-like shape or silhouette with this netting, and then I'm going to stick it inside the vase and make it look like a spirit rising from the grave. Next, I'm going to take this vinyl contact paper and I'm going to just trace out shapes that are supposed to resemble smoke. Most times, if you were going to be in a graveyard, you would see fog. I did not have gray contact paper, so I used black just to show you guys what I want it to look like. The next Halloween decoration is really simple. I am just taking this vase, covering it in this black net or this green netting, and spray painting it with black chalkboard spray paint. I'm gonna then let it dry overnight and remove the netting in the morning, and it'll create a cool effect where you can kind of see the lines in the paint. And here's what the finished decorations will look like. There are two completely different variations in Halloween decorations. One is more spooky and dark themed, and the other one is more whimsical and a fun play on Halloween and some of the regular themes that you see in most people's Halloween parties. What do you guys think? Which decoration for Halloween do you like the best? Of course, you can put a candle in the black vase and it will show the light through, kind of indicating spirits inside. Comment down below which one you like best. Thanks for joining me for another video this week. I am sorry that it is extremely late. My work schedule kind of threw off my uploading schedule for this week, so you'll get one today and then you will get a new video coming up next Tuesday. Remember to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and share this video in time for Halloween decoration inspiration. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day. Keep creating, and I love you guys. Bye.